Tapas Fleming here, TATlife.com. ACEs, adverse childhood experiences, have been shown scientifically to make it so that the more of those you've had, the more in different categories, the more your chances for physical heart problems. So I wanted to explain, how could that happen? One of the typical ACEs is being neglected, emotionally neglected. If that happened for you, your heart is going to be affected by your emotions and your thoughts, like, I'm not worth anything. I'm not worth being paid attention to. I'm not loved. I'm not cherished. So the energy that goes to your heart is going to be depressed. It's not going to be full of life, joy of life. It's going to be like, oh. Another typical ACE is physical violence. And then another one is emotional abuse. If those things happen, then your heart and your whole body is in a system of reacting to your environment with fear, and that means your cortisol levels are up. Your fight or flight or freeze is like up all the time, trying to defend yourself as a kid. So that is going to be placing stress on your heart and your whole body all the time. Once you're raised like that, you just don't know that it's okay to ever really relax. So you remain in a state of stress throughout your life, and that's why you end up with heart problems that way. Another thing that's really typical is divorce, family breakups. So you might have had a broken heart. It's not just metaphorical. Things happen to your physical heart because of your feelings. These are all super typical ways that your heart could be damaged. Another one is if you grew up in an alcoholic or a household where people were using drugs, the people who were supposed to be taking care of you. It means you never knew what kind of mood they'd be in. You might have had a parent or parents who just lost it and did totally unpredictable things. So in that case, you end up anxious all the time. So your heart is like, what's going to happen now? Geez. So also high cortisol levels. All of these things affect your physical heart. And the beauty of TAT is that all of these things that happened growing up can be changed right in the here and now. Your heart can receive information like, that happened, it's over, and it's safe and okay for you to relax now. You can receive love. You're valuable. You're worth lots and lots. You're lovable. You're a treasure. All of these things, all of these thoughts and feelings can be taken in by your heart, your whole body, be taken in emotionally, physically, spiritually, mentally, and energetically right in the here and now, and your whole physiology changes immediately. So there you go. I hope this helps you out. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.